We have come to an agreement that it is time to improve the visual representation of our galaxy. Let's draw a galaxy in layers like a bow. We are going through all the radii and draw an ellipses without filling. It looks a little more interesting. What if we change the color of each subsequent ellipse? Let's add this functionality to the random color class. Add in random values to RGB and checking the boundaries. Let's use it. Cool, that's something. There is also an idea to make edge ellipses more transparent. Something like this. It looks cool. There is a mistake somewhere. Of course. First, we have to draw distant objects and then the nearest ones. Let's sort the array by the distance to us. Now everything is as it should be. Let's continue in the next video.